Early bird discount. My full DFY Profitz review http://www.clkmg.com/advivian/DFY Profitz. Free $408 case study http://www.clkmg.com/advivian/DFY Profitz. DFY Profitz review. What's inside DFY Profitz? Mosh Bari with his partner Jason Fulton are both top affiliate marketers, and they just came up with their new amazing product. This is an affiliate marketing-based system which will generate unlimited traffic and will convert it into sales on complete autopilot. Generally, setting up an affiliate marketing campaign can be a time-taking task, but this system prepares an affiliate marketing campaign in a click-ready approach. This system turns one visitor into hundreds of people visiting your offer pages the same day. See it happen in real time. Imagine being able to earn commissions from different platforms, different offers all at the same time. Get ready to use 20+ campaigns for yourself, reverse engineered by top marketers to help you get free leads and traffic in just one click. DFY Profitz review. DFY Profitz is an ultimate product for you, no matter what business or niche you're in. If you want to start generating passive income, this is the software for you. These expert marketers have made it so simple and powerful so that anyone, even if you are new to this whole internet software or this make money online experience, you can use this software and get results. If you've tried every other software out there promising to find you mines filled with gold and then never got any result from it, you need to try this. What does it do? Now you can easily create affiliate campaigns and get 100% free traffic and leads at the same time. You do not have to worry about creating new videos to promoting products ever again. Not just this, but think about spending just seconds instead of hours setting up your affiliate campaigns. How nice would it be to turn one visitor into hundreds of people visiting your offer pages the same day? See it happen in real time. Being able to earn commissions from different platforms, different offers all at the same time. And at the same time, think about being able to use 30+ campaigns for yourself, reverse engineered by top marketers to help you get free leads and traffic in just one click. What would it feel like to be able to have vacations every day while this software does the work for you and makes you more money? If you're enjoying this DFY Profitz review and want to learn more about DFY Profitz, check out my in-depth video review above. DFY Profitz review, demo and $3,325 bonus, DFY Profitz review. Disclaimer: some of the links mentioned in the video and in the description might be affiliate links, which means that if you use it and will end up buying something, I'll receive a small commission. These commissions help support the channel and allow me to continue to record more of these free training videos for you guys. Thanks so much for your support. Please note that results may and will vary. I cannot guarantee that you or anyone else will make any sum of money. It all depends on each person's situation, drive and even luck. I highly suggest you simply look into it and draw your own conclusions.